Welcome back after the break. The landmark bill on GST today won majority support of the Rajya Sabha Select Committee, which endorsed almost all the provisions. The committee has suggested that the provision in the bill that provided centre may compensate states for a period of up to 5 years for any revenue loss be substituted by a commitment for compensation for 5 years.
A major breakthrough has been achieved in the biggest tax reform, the Goods and Services Tax Bill. The select panel of Rajya Sabha, comprising leaders of all the political parties, has finalized its report. Major recommendation of the committee is that centre should compensate the loss of revenues to the states for the next 5 years. With this recommendation, a major hurdle in the passage of the bill has been removed.
ये जो कानून बनाया था, हमने सबसे चर्चा करने के बाद बनाया था। कांग्रेस काल के जो वित्त मंत्री थे और दोनों वित्त मंत्रियों के फाइल्स पे टिप्पणियां और ऑब्जर्वेशंस भी हैं, जो पुरानी स्टैंडिंग कमेटी के सुझावों को स्वीकार करते हुए। आज जो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने सेपरेट डिसेंट नोट दिया है, इट्स हार्डली अ डिसेंट अगेंस्ट द बिल, इट्स अ डिसेंट अगेंस्ट द कांग्रेस पार्टीज ओन प्रपोजल्स व्हिच वर ओरिजिनली गिवन।
But the hurdles remain. Political opposition is now threatening to stall this crucial piece of legislation, which has been quoted as one of the biggest steps in the economic reforms. Main opposition party Congress is still demanding doing away of 1% manufacturing tax. The report is marked by dissent notes from Congress, AIADMK and left parties, which have expressed their opposition to the GST Constitution Amendment Bill in the existing form.
GST में जो सोच समझ के बदलाव की ज़रूरत समझी गई, उस पर सुझाव दिए गए, उस पर उनको क्यों आपत्ति है? क्या देश को ऐसा जीएसटी देंगे जिससे एक कॉमन मार्केट भारत ना बने, एक पूरा भारत एक बाजार बने और जो हमारी ट्रांजैक्शन कॉस्ट्स हैं वो कम हो, जिससे हमारे देश की बनी हुई चीज़ मुकाबले में तुलनात्मक दृष्टिकोण से ज़्यादा कॉम्पिटिटिव हो?
The report of the committee is expected to be presented in the parliament next week. GST bill has been already passed in Lok Sabha. Government has expressed its resolve to implement GST from April next year. It is believed that GST, when implemented, will enhance the revenues of centre as well as states. It is also expected to raise the GDP by about 1.5%. But all eyes will be on the way Parliament functions, or rather is allowed to dispense its legislative business by an unrelenting opposition. Business Desk, DD News.